BigTrain.com offers a number of ways to make purchasing quick and easy for our food service and business customers. In addition to adding items to your cart in the traditional way, BigTrain has some great tools to facilitate the order process. In this video, we will show you how to use the reorder tool to easily purchase items from a prior order. Log in at the top of the website. Click Go. Then click on My Account. If you have an order you want to place again, use the reorder tool from your order history page for your account. Find the order you want to reorder by expanding the details or clicking the details link. Once you have the order you want to place again, just click Reorder and proceed to check out normally. Don't worry, you can edit or add items to your cart before completing the checkout process. And that's the reorder tool. Thanks for watching.